New alert.
At 5 p.m. Ojo Airport, it was partly sunny.
It looks like a severe thunderstorm warning still continues for Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, East Moline, and Bettendorf. Still, severe thunderstorm warning just issued for the Quad Cities area. But it's heading for Whiteside, going northeast. It's going east.
County in east central Iowa, eastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 6:45 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the
Great. A new severe thunderstorm warning just issued still in the Quad Cities area, back in the other side. But it's 70.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Comanche,
Where is the new?
Savannah, Provincetown, Leonard, Garden Plains, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Albany.
Oh wait, that's not it. This one is a new one. Sorry. No, it's for the city. It's not even. Or no, it's for the city Clinton, Iowa. I'm sorry. This one is heading for Whiteside in Carroll County. A brand new severe thunderstorm warning just issued. Looks like Sterling appear to be a city. And it is in Sterling, which is the county seat is in Whiteside. And Rock Falls is also part of the Sterling Rock Falls area.